Here we have printed 12 models to show you how to set PVA support for the HICTOP D3 Hero. As PVA costs a lot more than regular filament, we can only print with the interface PVA, and here's how you can set that in Cura. Putting the model into water for a few hours after printing will allow the support to be easily removed, as most of it is dissolved. Here's the comparison of the PVA support model and the normal support model. The difference is extremely dramatic. All 12 of the Chinese zodiac signs are printed in the same way with interface support as PVA. All of them are clean, as PVA is a water-soluble filament and it is easily dissolved. I am the GOAT in 1991. What are you?